Hello.
My name is Paige.
I'm Annie.
And I work in a button factory. Did you know?
Next.
I'm really bored.
No. Not worth it. Get such a better one. We're not on drugs. We're just kids. Let them think what we want them to think. Mama. Mama. I would watch that movie, but you know, someone is being touchy.
Okay.
Yeah, don't get too close to Paige. She'll pee in your butthole. We need to sing.
Thank you.
Okay,
Nice to meet you.